Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
All of you, please start your video.
Sir, which class is this?
This is your maths period. Everyone, please start your video. We are starting the class in just a minute. Just wait for a minute. Till
I'm
then, you
starting
all
the
please
video
start
in
your
1 minute.
video.
1 minute, I'm opening my camera.
We will start the class in 1 minute. Let everyone join the class. Till then, you all please just keep your video on. Okay, everyone, this is your maths class. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Morning, sir.
Okay. I will be taking your maths period in online classes. Okay. Are you all
Okay, sir.
Are you all planning to attend online classes only, or will you attend offline?
Sir, online.
Sir, online classes.
Online classes.
Online.
Sir, online.
Sir, I have to today only online classes, and for tomorrow I will go to offline classes.
Okay.
Sir, I will go to our offline classes in some days.
Okay, everyone, what topic was going on in maths? कौन सा topic चल रहा था?
Sir, we are doing chapter 7. And sir, we are
Chapter
doing
5.
chapter
Multiples and
7.
factors. You were doing multiples and
Yes, sir.
factors. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beta Mubashira, what is? Can I see your face? Your camera is focusing somewhere else. Ah, yes. Good morning, Mubashira. Am I
Good morning, sir.
pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes.
Okay. So the multiples and factors was going on. Okay, let me see how much you all know about multiples and factors. Can you all see this green screen? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So multiples and factors. I will just try to find out that how much you all know about multiples and factors. Who was teaching you maths earlier on?
Maria ma'am.
Maria Zamani ma'am. Maria Zamani ma'am. Very
Sir,
good.
Maria ma'am is offline.
Maria ma'am is taking offline classes. I will be taking online classes. So those who students who choose online, they will have to study maths from me, unfortunately. चलिए multiples and factors. So okay, I'm writing a number here. Suppose if I write a number 6. Okay. So can you just tell me any two multiples of 6? Any two multiples of 6?
Sir, 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Sir, 2 and
Ma'am,
2 and 3. 2 and 3.
2 and 3 are multiples of 6. 2 and 3 are not multiples of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. मल्टीपल्स क्या होते हैं? मल्टीपल्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं जो 6 के टेबल में आते हैं. 6 के टेबल आप पढ़ते हैं. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 6 into 3, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 6 into 3 is equal to 18. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 12, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42. ये टेबल पढ़ी है आपने? 6 की टेबल आती है सबको?
Yes,
तो
sir.
ऐसे नंबर्स जो 6 के टेबल में आते हैं, दे आर नोन एज मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6. फॉर एग्जांपल 6 इटसेल्फ, उसके बाद क्या आता है? 12, फिर 18, उसके बाद क्या आता है? 24 एंड सो ऑन. ऐसे बहुत सारे नंबर 6 के टेबल में आते हैं.
Yes, sir.
So all these are multiples of,
And multiples.
these are multiples of 6.
6.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
मल्टीपल्स. ठीक है? तो इनफाइनाइट हो सकते हैं. वेरी गुड. इनफाइनाइट, अच्छा वर्ड निकाला है. इनफाइनाइट, तुम्हें पता है इनफाइनाइट के बारे में? वेरी गुड. कहाँ से पता चला? इनफाइनाइट कहाँ पे सुना आपने?
Sir, sorry sir, because you are
Sir,
adding
ma'am is
6 plus 6 is equal to 12.
हाँ, यू आर राइट, यू आर राइट. बस मैं ये पूछा था बेटा कि इनफाइनाइट वर्ड आपने कहाँ से सुना? यू आर
Sir,
राइट.
ma'am has 10.
मैम ने बताया था. वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस. तो मैम ने बताया था दैट देयर आर इनफाइनाइट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6. ऐसी फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 अगर मैं लिखूंगा तो अभी आप लोगों ने बताया था फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 कौन से होते हैं? द नंबर्स which can divide 6. ऐसे नंबर जो 6 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 6 2 से डिवाइड होता है बेटा? 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है 6?
Yes,
आता है.
sir.
देखो 2 से डिवाइड करना आता है आप सबको. देखिए ऐसे करके डिवाइड
Yes,
करते
sir.
हैं या ऐसे बनाते हैं. कहाँ पे
Yes,
लिखते हैं?
sir.
ऊपर या इधर कहीं पे भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0.
Yes, sir.
तो कितना आया? रिमाइंडर इज 0. रिमाइंडर 0 का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिमाइंडर इक्वल टू 0? दिस शोज दैट 6 जो है वो 2 के टेबल में आता है. मतलब 6 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है. हो गया डिवाइड. रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया, डिवाइड हो गया. So that means we can say that 2 is a factor of 6. तो 6 के फैक्टर्स कौन-कौन से हुए? एक तो 2 हो गया. देखिए हो गया.
So
2 से
1
डिवाइड.
is also the factor of 6.
Absolutely correct. 1 is also a factor of 6. 3 is a
3.
factor of 6 or not?
Yes, sir. 3 is
4
factor.
and 5
Sir,
also.
3 is factor.
4 और 5 भी होते हैं 6 के फैक्टर्स. अभी बोला किसी
No,
बच्चे
sir,
ने.
and 6 also. And my answer 6 also.
इसके बाद होता है 6 itself. तो 1 2 3 and 6 these are factors of 6. 4 and 5 नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है। 4 and 5 आर नॉट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6 बिकॉज 4 के टेबल में 6 नहीं आता, आता है 4 के टेबल में 6 नहीं आता, 5 के टेबल में आता है नहीं आता, तो 4 and 5 are not
Sir, can you explain factors again? I cannot understand.
no problem, I will explain again factors again. I will show you, let me show you a video. I am sharing my screen. I will show you a video. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा with the help of this video.
Sir, because 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10.
Okay, I am showing you a video, everyone. I am sharing my screen. ठीक है, स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूं मैं.
Okay, sir.
जस्ट चेक की वीडियो में साउंड आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है.
Wondering?
Sir, आ रहा है.
Sound is there.
Sir, coming. Sir, आ रहा है.
Okay. So see this video. This video is about multiples and factors. ठीक है. Okay. उसके बाद हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि आपको क्या समझ में आया क्या नहीं आया. नहीं आएगा तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. नो प्रॉब्लम. अगर आप समझ में नहीं आता है, we will discuss everything again in detail. This will give you a good basic knowledge about multiples and factors. ठीक है. Okay, so see the video.
What am I going to do with this basket? Well, I'm going to arrange the flowers in a mathematical way. How? Hi, I am Azan and welcome to the KID company with Kabir, Isha and Dhruv. So let us begin with the episode and learn factors and multiples, prime and composite numbers, prime factorization. Hey, Kabir seems to be on a mission. He is arranging some flowers and making a bouquet. But to do this easily, he should know factors and multiples. But don't worry, Dhruv will make it easier for you. I think I should keep my flower basket over here and let's see how he arranges them.
Wow! And there are more of them now. But when will I sort them out? When will I get to play? What happened, Kabir? Why are you so sad? There are so many flowers here that I need to group to make a bouquet for mom and dad's anniversary. But I can't understand how to do it so that no flower is left behind. Oh, do not worry, Kabir. I will show you a trick after which you will have not one but many ways of grouping these flowers. What are you talking about? Well, I'm talking about factors. A factor of a number divides that number without leaving any remainder. And that is exactly what we want. So, you have 20 flowers. Now we need to know what the factors of 20 are. When 20 is divided by its factors, it does not leave behind a remainder. Let us try and arrange the flowers simultaneously. Now, since we have 20 flowers, let us try and put 2 flowers in one group first. This way, we can make 10 groups of 2 flowers each, and no flower is left behind. Similarly, we can make 2 groups of 10 flowers each, with no flowers left behind. Hence, we can say both 2 and 10 are factors of 20. Now put 4 flowers in one group. This way we can make 5 groups of 4 flowers each. Similarly, we can even make 4 groups of 5 flowers each. Hence, both 4 and 5 are factors of 20. Can we put 3 flowers in a group? Well, we will be able to make 6 groups of 3 flowers each, but 2 flowers will be left behind. Hence, 3 is not a factor of 20. Is there any other way you can think of grouping these 20 flowers? Well, I can make one group of 20 flowers and there will be no remainder left in this arrangement. Hence, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20.
But can we put just one flower in one group?
Yes, you will get 20 groups, each having one flower. That's because 1 is the factor of every number. A number is a factor of itself. Every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself.
Yes, Akshaj.
Sir, I was saying I thought that today was a holiday, so I don't open the WhatsApp. But then after I bath, I see there are classes. So can you tell sir what we are doing?
We are doing multiples and factors. So this video is about multiples and factors. Watch the video and you will learn the basics of the chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so I'm continuing the video.
Look, I found more flowers. I found 5. These 5 were found by Bunty, these 5 by Ria, and these 5 by...
Oh no! Stop, Isha! More the flowers, more the confusion.
No, Kabir. In fact, it is easier than you thought. Isha just gave you the multiples of 5.
Yes, Kabir, this is so easy. You don't understand this also.
Yeah, since you are so bright, why don't you explain what Dhruv meant?
I have to collect more flowers. Okay, bye.
Silly girl. Dhruv, what were you saying?
I was telling you that Isha just made it simpler for you because she gave you flowers in the multiples of 5. Isha said she collected these 5 flowers and the next 5 by Bunty, the next 5 by Ria, the next 5 by Sam, the next 5 by Pinky. So, see, your friends have found 25 flowers in all. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. These are all multiples of 5. When you start with 5 and keep adding 5 every time, you will get the multiples of 5. If I give you 5 more flowers, you will have 30.
So we can find as many multiples as we want? All we have to do is add, right?
Exactly. Very good, Kabir. Now let us discuss some properties of multiples. Every number has endless multiples. A number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of 1.
Did I not tell you all that knowing factors and multiples would definitely help Kabir? But no one listens to me. I'm just kidding. But now as the problems are getting simpler for Kabir, let us see what will he learn next on the flower arranging mission.
Here I have 7 flowers. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Are there only 2 ways to group them?
First, let me explain you another concept. Maybe you will find your answer. Numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, let us take the number 2. The only factors of 2 are 1 and 2 itself. So 2 is a prime number. Numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. For example, 8 has 4 factors which are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Hence, 8 is a composite number. But remember, 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So now think whether 7 is a prime number or a composite number. 7 does not have any factors except 1 and 7 itself. So it is a prime number. So you can arrange these flowers in only 2 ways.
I know. Either I put them all together in one group or I put them all separately.
Looks like I'm not needed here anymore.
Come on, Dhruv. I'm sure you have much more to tell me.
As a matter of fact, I do.
We will continue this topic, prime numbers and composite numbers, later on. For now, we were discussing only what are multiples and what are factors. कुछ समझ में आया आप लोगों को multiples and factors के बारे में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
So,
some things I have not getting.
Some things you have not understood.
Sir, I'm saying 0 is a multiple of every number. How?
0 is not a multiple of every number.
Sir, 1 is a multiple of every number.
Yes, 1 is a factor of every number. ठीक है? So
Okay.
मल्टीपल्स के बारे में हम लोग पहले डिस्कस करते हैं. फैक्टर्स थोड़ी देर में करेंगे. Let's study multiples. Can you all see the green screen? दिख रही है आप सबको? Green screen I have shared.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So multiples. We will be writing 5 multiples of each of the following numbers. 5 के 5 multiples. 8 के 5. No, this is just for explanation. 10 के भी 5 multiples लेते हैं. Okay, I have taken 3 numbers. In तीनों numbers के we will write 5 multiples of each. So can you tell me any 5 multiples of 5?
Yes, sir. 1 and sir 1, 5.
25.
Multiples में 1 नहीं आएगा. 5 के multiples यानी कि 5 की टेबल में जो नंबर आते हैं.
50.
पहले 5 आता है, फिर 10 आता है, फिर 15, फिर 20.
20.
25, 30.
Okay, and
35, 40, 45.
बस.
45, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70,
30, 35, 40, 45, and 50.
95, 100.
Okay, so these are multiples of 5. 5 multiples of 5 we have written. आगे भी बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं. Unlimited, no limit is there. Let's write any 5 multiples of 8 also. 8 itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Can I write any 5 randomly? Any 5 multiples of 8? Can I write 64? Is 64 a multiple of 8?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
32 होता है
Yes,
एक
sir.
टेबल में.
16,
48.
Can I write 104? 104 लिख सकता हूँ मैं?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, नहीं लिख सकता.
No, sir.
Let's check.
There is.
Let's check whether we can write 104 or not. Check करते हैं. So we will divide 104 by 8. Division सबको आता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
तो check करते हैं. 1
Sir, we
लिखा
can
हमने यहाँ
write-
पर. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 10 minus 8 कितने हो गए? 2. फिर क्या करेंगे? 4 को कॉपी कर लेंगे. 24. Now 8 into 3 is equal to 24. Am I right?
Yes, sir. You have right. You will right.
The important thing is remainder कितना आ रहा है? 0. So can we say that 104 is a multiple of 8? Answer is yes, it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलिए अगला मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. You have to tell me whether I have written correctly or not. 116. Check whether this is a multiple of 8 or not. 116. All of you. Rough में करिए, कहीं पर भी करिए.
Sir, this is multiple. Sir, this is multiple.
Multiple, sir, this is multiple.
Sir, this is
not.
बेटा ऐसे ऐसे नहीं
No,
बताना
no,
होता है.
sir.
ऐसे ऐसे नहीं बताना होता है. डिवाइड करके चेक करना है कि रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, फिर बताना है आपको. नॉट लाइक दिस. डू द डिवीजन एंड चेक.
Sir, we need to make.
Sir, this is not a multiple. Sir, this is not a multiple.
no, sir. This is not the multiple.
This is not a multiple of 8. Why? Because the remainder is.
Because remainder is sir. There is remainder.
What is remainder? What is the remainder?
2.
Remainder is coming 4, not 2. That means it is not coming 0. The remainder is not coming 0. Therefore, 116 is not a multiple of 8. आइए check करते हैं whether it is a multiple of 8 or not. मैं दिखाता हूँ.
Sir, we need to
Divide
make a
करके.
second copy of math.
Yes, beta, make a new copy of mathematics. Please keep your mics off. So 116, 8 1 are 1, 8. Beta, please keep your mics off. 11 minus 8 is 3. 6 को copy कर लिया. Then 8 4s are 32. 36 minus 32 is 4. Remainder is coming 4. The remainder is 4. It is not 0. So is 116 a multiple of 8 or not?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, this is not a multiple of 8. This one is wrong. So we will write any other number. Can I write 112? Check. 112 check करिए.
Sir, in rough.
हाँ yes, rough में
Yes, sir,
check
it
करो.
is.
Rough में check करो.
Sir, it is a multiple. Sir, it is a multiple. Sir, it is a multiple.
Yes, it is a multiple of 8 because the remainder is coming
0.
Zero.
0.
The remainder is 0. That is why 112 is a multiple of 8. ठीक है? Very nice. चलिए, let's write any 5 multiples of 10 also. बहुत easy है 10 के multiples लिखना तो. 30 लिख सकते हैं.
10.
20.
40. Yes, sir.
900. 1050.
Yes, ma'am. No, no,
Sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
230. अगर लास्ट में 0 आ रहा है तो ये सारे नंबर्स 10 से डिवाइड होते हैं. पढ़ा है आपने कभी ये? If the last digit is 0,
Yes, sir.
that
Yes, sir,
means
sir, because
all the numbers will be
10
divisible
10
by.
to the 20. Sir, there is
Hmm.
adding 10. So, sir, there is coming correct.
So whenever the last digit of a number is 0, that means the number is multiple of 10. So yes, these all are correct.
Sir, because also, sir, because in 10 there is in last, there is coming 0 in 10. So, sir, this is also correct. In
Yes.
10 there is last 0 and in answer there is also 0.
Okay. Understood everyone? Multiple समझ में आ गए?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now factors.
अब हम पढ़ते हैं फैक्टर्स. चलिए देखिए, आपको फैक्टर्स पे आने से पहले एक चीज मैं पूछूंगा. You have to see. Yes, Panchal, do you have a doubt?
Sir, I have a doubt, like 1 has only one factor. So the same concept has with 0.
0 is actually 0 does not have any factors. So we cannot say anything about 0. It is not a natural number. So we are talking only about natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1. 1,
Okay,
2,
sir.
3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay.
Sir, 0 can be factor or multiple also, because 0 multiplied by 4, answer is 0. So 0 can be factor and multiple also.
बेटा we are talking about natural numbers की बात करते हैं. जब भी हम factors multiples की बात करते हैं, we talk about natural numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I was telling you have to check and tell me, is 56 a multiple of 8 or not? 56 8 का multiple है या नहीं है?
Sir, there is multiple. Sir,
Multiple.
because in 8 table there is coming the 56 in 8 table.
So 56 is a multiple of 8. Everyone agrees or not?
Sir, 8 7 is a
Sir.
56 because.
Yes,
Sir,
Everyone
because
agrees?
8 7 is a
Sir.
56.
8 7
Then 8 7 is a 56.
56 is a multiple
Yes, sir.
of
Yes,
8.
sir.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
Sir,
अब एक
because
चीज
8
बहुत
sevens
इंपॉर्टेंट
are-
बात सुनना. मैं फैक्टर्स बताने वाला हूँ क्या होते हैं फैक्टर्स. ध्यान से सुनना एवरीवन. 56 सबने बोला इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 8. सब एग्री
Yes,
करते हैं.
sir.
तो हम 8 के लिए क्या बोलेंगे? 8 के लिए हम लोग बोलेंगे दैट दिस इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 56. उल्टा बोलते हैं. अगर 56 8 का मल्टीपल है तो 8 क्या है? 8 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ 56. आया समझ में फैक्टर क्या होता है? फैक्टर
Yes,
एंड
sir.
मल्टीपल आर
yes,
अपोजिट ऑफ ईच अदर. एक दूसरे के उल्टे होते हैं. तो 56 अगर 8 का मल्टीपल है तो 8 क्या है 56 का? 8 56 का कौन है? फैक्टर है. ठीक है.
Factor.
ठीक है. तो रिलेशन यहाँ पे उल्टा हो जाता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आप जैसे सपोज आपके कोई अंकल हैं. ठीक है. तो ऐसे पूछते हैं कि ये तुम्हारे कौन है? वो तुम्हारे अंकल हुए. और तुम उनके कौन हो? तुम उनके क्या हुए? नेफ्यू हुए या नीस हुए. है ना. तो वही है. ये वैसे ही कुछ रिलेशन है उल्टा. 56 8 का कौन लगता है? 56 8 का अंकल नहीं लगता है. क्या लगता है? मल्टीपल लगता है. ऐसी 8 56 का कौन लगता है? 8 56 का फैक्टर लगता है. समझ में आ गया क्या रिलेशन है? फैक्टर का मीनिंग समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है? ऑल ऑफ यू.
yes, sir,
आ रहा है. सर आ रहा है.
Sir, the factor means the thing which multiplies is called the factor.
यस.
And sir, the answer of factor is called multiples.
Just a minute. Okay, just wait.
sir.
Yes. Okay, let's discuss more about factors. और डिस्कस करें फैक्टर्स के बारे में.
Okay,
now
sir.
now do you understand why we teach both the things multiples and factors? दोनों का नाम एक साथ क्यों आता है? समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, because 8 and 56 or any number are both means 8 also
दोनों में से
multiple 8.
एक चीज मल्टीपल होगी तो दूसरी चीज फैक्टर होगी, ठीक है?
Yes sir.
ये कहने का मतलब है ना आपका, यू आर राइट. सो
Yes, sir.
आई एम राइटिंग 2 नंबर्स हियर. आपको पहचानना है कि कौन सा नंबर मल्टीपल है किसका और कौन सा नंबर किसका फैक्टर है, ठीक है? चलो ठीक है, देखिए आई एम राइटिंग 4 and 20. तो 20 क्या कहेंगे 20 को और 4 को क्या कहेंगे? यू हैव टू टेल मी. यस, टेल. What is 20?
It is the multiple of 4. Multiple.
And sir, 4.
4 is the factor of
Sir, 4
20.
is the factor of
20 and 20 multiple of
20 is the multiple of 4. 20 is the multiple of 4.
Very good, excellent.
Sir, 4 is the factor of 20 and sir 20 is the multiple of 4.
Yes, 20 is multiple of 4 and 4 is factor of
20.
20. Excellent. कमाल हो गया, एक ही बार में समझ गए आप लोग, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, तेज दिमाग चलता है.
So what we are doing?
Yes, we are doing multiples and factors.
Okay, sir. So we have to write it on.
बेटा विदुषी, your period will start after 1 minute. Okay, this is class 4.
Sir.
The period will start after 1 minute.
I am leaving the meeting.
Yeah.
In
Oh.
last period of math of today of 6th class, so have we done any written work?
Beta, sure, your period will start after 1 minute. Okay. This is my period going on in 4th class.
Good morning, sir.
वाले बच्चे बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं क्लास ज्वाइन करने के लिए मैथ्स की. Okay, so you all have understood something about multiples of factors or not? Tell me. बच्चों.
Yes, sir. We understand. Sir, we understand.
Very good. So we will continue. We will continue this topic tomorrow. Thank you for this class, everyone.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Same to you.